Did you know that something you usually throw away in the kitchen can help protect your plants and boost seedling growth? Yes, onion skins. Instead of tossing them in the trash, you can turn them into a powerful natural plant tonic that helps reduce gnats and support strong, healthy seedlings. Here's how to make it. Take a handful of dry onion skins and place them in a small pot with about 2 cups of water. Now boil the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes. As the skins boil, they release natural compounds and nutrients into the water. After boiling, let the liquid cool down completely. Then strain out the onion skins and keep the brownish liquid. This simple solution contains natural sulfur compounds and minerals that help discourage fungus gnats and other tiny soil pests. At the same time, it gently nourishes the soil and encourages stronger root development in young plants. To use it, simply pour a small amount around the base of your seedlings, or use it to lightly water the soil once every 7 to 10 days. Gardeners love this trick because it's natural, free, and very easy to make. Instead of throwing onion skins away, turn them into a powerful boost for your garden. Your seedlings will grow stronger, healthier, and your soil will stay cleaner. All from something that was once kitchen waste. Give it a try and watch your plants thrive